Hey, what's up guys, it's Rube. So today we're gonna be looking at Niombee by BenSol. So this is quite an easy song. I'm sure you'd be able to play it even if you're in your early stages of playing the keys. Guys, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Plus, if you have a song, any song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So with that aside, let's zoom in and kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of A, and in this tutorial I will divide it into 3 parts, where I will discuss the intro, the verse, the pre-chorus, maybe in the chorus. Though the chorus and the bridge and the chorus and the bridge share the same chord progression. So well, let's just begin. So the intro, the progression is 2 1 5. So that's the intro, and the chords are, the 2 is a B minor, 1 is A major, and the 5 is E major. So the B minor, so this is a second inversion of the B minor, and the chords, or rather the notes that I'm playing in this second inversion of the B minor chord are, so my ring finger is playing note F sharp, my pointer finger note B, and note D with my thumb. On my right hand, F sharp with my thumb, note B with my middle finger, and note my small finger and ring finger holding or playing note D. So that's B minor chord. So the chord that follows is the A major chord. So on my left hand, so this is just the normal A major, the normal way that you'd hold an A chord. So I'm holding with my small finger and ring finger note A, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note E with my thumb. Right hand, A with my thumb, C sharp with my middle finger, and note E with my small finger or ring finger. And then the 5 chord, so this one is an E chord. Well, this one is first inversion of the E chord. So E, then an inversion, first inversion of the E chord. So on my left hand, I am playing note G sharp with my ring finger, note B with my middle finger, and note E with my thumb. Right, my thumb is playing note G sharp, pointer finger note B, and note E with my small finger or ring finger. So those are the chords that make up the intro. So after the intro, of course, you go to the verse. So the verse, the progression is 4 6 1 5. So the 4 is D, 6 is F sharp, 1 is A, and the 5 is E. So in this progression, the chords that I haven't touched on are, of course, the 4, which is a D chord. So this one is an inversion of D, which is second inversion. So normally you'll hold the D there. So D, first inversion, second inversion. So on my left hand, I am playing note A with my small finger and ring finger, note D with my pointer finger, and this is note F sharp with my thumb. So that's D major, second inversion. On my right hand, note A with my thumb, note D with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my small finger, ring finger. So that's and then we have this F sharp minor chord. So on the F sharp minor, my right hand, I am playing note A with my thumb, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my small finger. On my left hand, note A with my small finger, note C sharp with my middle finger and note F sharp with my thumb. So that's F sharp minor chord. So well, those are the chords that make up the verse. So the verse is and the timing is just you can just play dun, 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 dun. So you can play it just just okay. So after the verse, there's a pre-chorus that comes in at around maybe 55 seconds, and the chorus is the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus is 4 6 5 5. Then after the pre-chorus is the chorus. Niombee, na 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 na. So the chorus is 4 5 1 4 6 1 4 1 6 5 D A F sharp E Niombee. Something I can't remember the lyrics. So that's the progression for the chorus. So the pre-chorus is 4 6 5 5, then 4 1 6 5 D A F sharp E. So that's the progression for the chorus, which is the same as the progression for the bridge. So the bridge is the part where you hear a guitar solo, which is at around 3 minutes and 6 seconds there to the end, and they share the same progression as the chorus. So it's 4 1 6 5 4 1 6 5. So well, that's it for this tutorial. So I hope you guys learned something. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Plus, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next tutorial.